If you have been hearing about InVideo AI recently, you are probably wondering one thing. Can you actually use InVideo AI for free? Because honestly, a lot of AI tools advertise free trials, but the second you sign up, almost everything is locked behind a paywall. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how the InVideo AI free trial works, what features you actually get, the limitations you need to know about, and whether the free version is even worth testing before spending money. And if you want the exact setup, bonuses, and resources I personally recommend for ranking and monetizing AI videos online, I linked everything in the description below so you can follow along step by step. So first, let's head over to the InVideo AI website. Once you arrive, all you have to do is click sign up free. You can create your account using Google or your email, and honestly, the sign up process only takes a minute or two. Once you log in, you're going to see the main dashboard where you can start creating AI videos immediately. Now, one thing I actually like about InVideo AI is that the platform is beginner friendly. You do not need editing experience. You do not need expensive software. And you do not need a powerful computer because everything runs directly in the browser. Now, inside the free plan, you can test features like text to video, AI voiceovers, templates, subtitles, stock footage, workflows, and AI generated video creation. So for example, you can type something simple like create a 30-second motivational YouTube short about discipline and success. Then InVideo AI starts generating the script, the visuals, the subtitles, the narration, the music, and the editing automatically. And honestly, that feels pretty impressive the first time you try it, especially if you have never used AI video tools before. Now let's talk about the biggest thing people care about. What are the limitations of the free trial? Because yes, there are definitely limits. The biggest one is the watermark. If you export videos using the free plan, they will usually include an InVideo watermark. You also get limited exports and limited AI generation access. And some premium workflows and advanced AI features are restricted to paid plans. Now, honestly, I think the free version is mainly designed for testing the platform rather than running a full content business with it. But for beginners, it is still very useful. You can test prompts, experiment with video styles, learn the workflow, and see whether AI video creation actually fits your business or content strategy before spending money. Now, another important thing you need to understand is credits, because this is where a lot of beginners get confused. InVideo AI runs on a credit system. That means every AI generation uses credits depending on the quality, length, and features being used. So if you are creating lots of videos every single day, you will probably run through the free credits pretty quickly. That is why I usually recommend using the free plan to learn the platform first instead of trying to scale immediately. Now, one thing I do want to mention honestly is that some people expect the free version to be completely unlimited. It is not. So I think it is important to go into this with realistic expectations. The free trial is best for learning the software, testing prompts, creating drafts, experimenting with workflows, and understanding how AI video generation works. Now, let me quickly show you a simple workflow example. Inside the dashboard, type a prompt like create a faceless YouTube video about making money online using AI tools. Then choose your platform, your video length, voice style, music, and subtitles. Then click generate. Within minutes, InVideo AI creates a complete draft video automatically. And afterward, you can still edit scenes, replace clips, change music, adjust narration, and modify subtitles manually. Honestly, that is where the platform becomes really useful, especially for beginners who feel overwhelmed by traditional editing software. Now, as promised earlier, I also want to give you access to my full 12K bonus package completely free if you sign up through my link below. This bonus package is designed to help you actually rank and monetize the videos you create with InVideo AI. Inside, you're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system, which shows you how to rank videos on YouTube and Google faster. You are also getting List Prodigy, which teaches you how to build an email list using AI. Then you get AI Content Mastery, where you learn how to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, guides, and mini courses. You are also getting over 90 Make Money online courses covering SEO, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and video marketing. And on top of that, I am including a 10-day InVideo AI training course that walks you through setup, workflows, prompting, and content creation step by step. The training gets delivered daily through email, so make sure you check your inbox and spam folder after signing up. So overall, is the InVideo AI free trial worth testing? Honestly, yes, especially if you are curious about AI video creation, faceless YouTube content, affiliate marketing, or automated workflows. The free plan gives you enough access to understand how the platform works before spending money. Just understand that the free version is mainly for testing and learning. So if you want to test InVideo AI yourself and grab the full 12K bonus package, check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you watch the next one, because I am going to show you how to create better AI videos using InVideo AI step by step.